Can custody disputes be settled out of court? Absolutely, you want that. You do not want some random man or woman that wears a black robe to be making decisions on the best interests of your child or children. That is like the last option. And so there's a lot of high conflict cases, high emotions. All of those things are relevant. And if you let the emotions take over and you start with that mindset, and the mindset is everything here. And if you start with that mindset that I'm bringing you to court and we're gonna let the judge decide. All right, well then the only people that are being helped here financially are lawyers. And you don't want that. Lawyers are the last resort. Not necessarily, lawyers aren't the last resort. Conflict with lawyers is the last resort. Effective lawyers can bring a resolution quicker and make sure that it's ironclad and that everyone knows what they're supposed to do, okay? But judges, courts, that's the last option. What you want to do is you want to find effective counsel that are going to get you in front of effective mediators that are child-centered. And the big thing that you want to make sure you're doing is getting all of the data lined up, and so you're prepared and organized, right? And if you're prepared and organized and you go to a mediator, or even you can change it from a court to an arbitrator. And so if you have a third-party mediator who does this for a living and he or she agrees to take on the case from the custody standpoint, you can get this thing resolved much quicker. Even better than that is you both prioritize the best interests of your child or children. You agree on a parenting plan and overnights, child support, decision-making, all the things that matter, right? And you guys then go to lawyers that can effectively put that together in a rock-solid parenting plan or agreement. And then you're bypassing the need for court, right? It's better that you make the decisions for your child rather than having some random person do that who sees so many people every single day arguing about the same things over and over again, and they can't help but just be like, yeah, I've heard this before, right? They don't care about the emotions. They care about what's in the best interest of your child or children, and you care more than they do. So you want to knock these things out and get a solid parenting plan or order without the court if possible. That is absolutely in the best interest of your child.